Using a watercolour pencil, I am doing an underpainting wash to apply coloured pencil over the top. I'm starting with a light grey in this instance, and I am moving lighter to darker. I'm then going towards a mid-grey. These are watercoloured pencils. And a black or a very, very dark brown is my last colour. Again, moving from the top of the branch and darker towards the base of the branch. Then I am taking a wet paintbrush and not too much water, just a little bit of water. We only just want it slightly wet. I am going again from the lightest colour down to the darkest colour. This is giving me a watercoloured base to work my coloured pencils over. I will be waiting for this to completely dry before applying any coloured pencil.